else call it that?
You never heard of that? Okay, it's not in the book either. And then this is how it was done, so we'll rename this. This is how ordered. Okay? And that's just fine. Now I can save this, and I've got this done. Do you want to save this? Yes, and we're going to call this my orders. Okay? So now I've got my orders in there, and I'm going to want to go in, and in my database tools then, make the relationship. So I remember how to do this. I'm going to show tables like orders. We want that in there too, right? And then what I'm going to try and do, I'm trying to get these customers to place orders, right? Okay, these customers place orders. So here's my customers, and what I want to do is put maybe some order numbers in with that customer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Do I want to save this? Yes. And so in my customers, I'm going to say this customer right here placed order 1, this customer placed order 2, and order 3, and then I could say that this field right here is going to be order number, like that, and looking good. Now I can go back to my database tools, and hopefully this doesn't work, because it always embarrasses me when it works right. Go from here over to here. This is what I did in the first assignment. Drop it right there, enforce referential integrity, and create it. Could not do my thing because you're using it. You know what that says? It says get out of there, okay? So cancel that, go to the tables right there. I don't see that I have it open. Huh. I think they have a bug in their software, the first bug ever. Okay, now I get a different one. Data in the customer table violates the rules. There may be records relating to an employee in the related table. I don't have employees. Okay, so this is a generic description that some engineer in Redmond typed up and said, well, everybody will know that. Okay. What it means is that you're trying to establish some sort of relationship from one table to another related table, but there's no record in the primary table. Okay, do we remember what the primary table is? Of course, the primary table is this one with the primary key right here. Okay? And so I look at my orders and look at my order numbers, and it's finding discrepancies between those two. Order, well, I can name them what I want. It's looking only at the data. Okay? So let's go and look at my orders. My orders are 2 and 3. When did that happen? Where did 1 go? Nobody knows, and so I don't really care. So I can't have this 1, can I? Okay? So I guess we're going to go ahead and have this with 2, and 2, and 2, and put 2's in there. Let's see if it'll take that. Database tools.
You have every field.
No, you actually don't, but
okay.
It's kind of, I'm trying to make it pretty, and there we go. Okay? Now, I have that every order has many customers, don't I? Every order has many oops. I got that backwards, didn't I? Every order has many customers. Shoot. Okay, so let's try and do that the right way. So we don't want to close that. What we're supposed to have, where is access? Right here. Every order is supposed to have many customers. What I really need is to customer ID on the order table. Okay? Because I'm supposed to have every customer should have many orders. Isn't that what it says? Every customer is the one, orders is the many. So this should be the one side, dragging over to, where's my customer ID? I need to put it in the table, don't I? I didn't put it in the right thing in the table. So what I need to do is I need to delete that, yes, go into my orders table and get a customer ID over and over again. You want to save that? Sure, that's fine. So my customer ID then, what this needs to be then is the, wait a minute, I forgot what I just said. Okay. In the orders table, I need the customers. I went the wrong way, didn't I? The orders table, I need to add then what customer placed that order. And my customers are customers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this customer could be customer 4, customer 5, and then we call that right there the rename the field. This will be my customer ID, like that. And so those are the customers that placed that order. That maybe makes more sense. Let's try that in my database tools, relationships. There's my customers. Each customer places many orders and create that one. Yay! Okay, now the lines are not going to be just like this, okay? You can't get them like this because this is not Microsoft Access. We're stuck in Microsoft Access, and so you will probably have to deal with it looking like that, all right? Something like that.